Go ahead, Jess.
Okay. Wait for him. You ready? What? One more? One more? Okay, one more.
No mouth.
Want one more? Put that away. We got more. Okay, more. Here you go.
Is he gonna put them all together? I love the way he picks which one he wants to put it in. That one doesn't go there? Okay. Monkey, put him back.
Let him.
Okay.
I'm out of silverware.
Okay.
Except for sharp objects.
Oh, yeah, no.